Are you new to OneDrive? So keep watching these 5 tips. Hello folks, and welcome to another video from AriaVision. As I said in the beginning of this video, today I will show you guys, or give you guys actually 5 tips about using Microsoft OneDrive. If for those who don't know what is OneDrive, please watch my video, which will be placed in description of this video, and also how to get Microsoft Office online for free. Okay, so let's start about tips. So tip number 1, how to create new document inside OneDrive. Okay, so obviously you need to log into your Microsoft account and go to OneDrive, and from there, if you're inside OneDrive, just choose from drop-down menu, choose Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Form Survey. Oh, that's something new. Actually, I never use it, to be honest. Okay, so let's go for Microsoft Word. Okay, as always, as you guys maybe saw it also in the desktop version, that Microsoft give always the generic name, so it will be like document 1, document 2, document 3. So if you want to change that name, just go to the name, select, click on it, and it will come with a drop down menu. So from there you can just change name to test or test 1, whatever you want, and let's write something. Okay, and as you have noticed that it is already auto saved in the OneDrive. Okay, so we don't need actually do anything else. We don't need to go to the file to just save it. So just you can just close it, and your test 1 is created there. So it is so easy and so quickly. Alright, so let's move on to tip number 2, which is uploading files or folders to OneDrive. So people maybe say, what is the difference between file and folder? So folder is something that contains like thousands of files, and you can just upload at once the folder to OneDrive, and the files is selected files that you want to just upload to the OneDrive. So let's go to the menu and then click on upload. Let's say let's choose for folder. Okay, so I will go to my desktop, and then from there I will choose the folder called YouTube. Okay, so it will say upload. You will wait a little bit for it, so because I need to actually upload to the cloud. There you go. My folder is uploaded to OneDrive with 4 or 5 files on it. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, okay, the files are also uploaded. And now let's check the second option, which is actually files. And we go again to the desktop and choose okay, OneDrive, and from there I can choose that file and say upload. Yeah, okay, it was already uploaded, so I will say replace. As you see, there you go. It is like 54 minutes ago I had actually uploaded that one, and it is now replaced it. So let's try something else to make sure that we doing correctly. So we go from here to the folder of YouTube, and I choose with file of which is called 2222. Alright, so it is uploading now, and it should be actually in any second it should be appearing here. There you go, it is there. Okay, let's move to tip number 3, which is actually sharing files or folders to someone, like to your colleagues or to your brother, to your family, to anyone that you want. Okay, so let's go for folder sharing. So you need to select from you can say it go to app and say share, or you can just when you have selected, just right mouse click and then say share, and then you can just give or the name. If the name is already on your contact, you just need to write down the name, and if the name is not the name of the person is not on under your contact, you can just write down the email. So let's say, for example, I will send that to myself, which actually I've created a couple of test emails. I will share with myself. Okay, Gmail. Oh God, I misspelled. That's why it's not picking up. Okay, Okay, there you go. So you just need to say send, or you can just also copy the link. If you copy the link, you can just open your Gmail and then copy paste the link, and then just paste the link to your email and just share that with the person, just the link. Okay, so but at the moment we're just sharing through the email. So send, and if you see it is private, and after a couple of seconds it should be actually changed to shared, or you can just refresh and it will actually show you that there's no shared folder. Okay, so there you go. It is now the folder is now shared with the entire content of the folder with all the files, and it is shared now with the contact that I've shared. Okay, so if you want to actually stop sharing a folder or file, it's very simple. You can just do that at any time that you want, because you're the owner of that file or folder, so you can just stop sharing at any time. So let's see, first you need to see which files are shared and which are not shared. So you can see it from here that only this folder is shared, and also this file has been shared, and the rest are private, which is actually visible only for me. So if you want to actually stop sharing this folder, just go on the folder or file that you want, right mouse click, and then say details, manage access. As you can see, that is only shared with one person, and then you need to click on edit and then stop sharing. So it's now stop, the sharing is stopped, and you can already see it's changed already back to private, so it's not anymore shared with the person, and it will be not visible for that person. Okay, so let's move on to the tip number 4 is actually manage file versions. So for example, you share the file with someone, and that person worked on the file, but he made some mistake, and you're not happy because it's already auto-saved, but you as the owner of the file, you still can actually manage and restore your files. So don't be afraid, you always, don't be scared, you always can restore the previous version of files. So how you can do that? Just let's choose that one. What is OneDrive, which I've created today at noon. What you need to do, just go on top of the file, right mouse click, from a drop down, or actually from the menu, you can say choose version history. Okay, that is the current version, which is actually created at 1.32 today. And if I want to go to version which was created at 3+12, I just can only click on it, and it will take some time, and it will upload. From here, you can say I can choose restore or download the file. So there you go. That is very simple, and you can just actually restore the files versions. Just one more thing before that: only the files owner have that choice to restore to the previously version. Keep that in mind, please. Okay, tip number 5 is how to delete files or folders from OneDrive. Okay, so let's for this tip we will actually delete 2 files, one of them directly from OneDrive and one of them from the folders inside the OneDrive. So okay, let's choose OneDrive file which is we created before test number 1. So you just need how to delete, just say select the file, and you can just right click, mouse click, and then say delete, or you can just select and just go here and delete the file. Okay, let's I will delete one more file. I will open up folder YouTube, and from here I will choose one file and delete the file. Okay, so that is deleted now. We have deleted these 2 files, and if you want to restore actually this file, it's very simple. Just go back to the recycle bin, and you can just select from here and both of them, or just only one of them. You can just select only a single file as well, and just click on restore, and it will restore back to original place. Okay, and then speaking about the original place, so we if you guys remember that I have deleted test 1 from a OneDrive folder, and also when JPEG from YouTube folder inside the OneDrive. So why I've done this one, because I will show you guys something else. So from if you see here, it says the original location. So this JPEG file was actually deleted from the folder which was called YouTube, and test 1 was deleted from OneDrive folder. So let's restore both of them. Go back to my files, and if you see that both test 1 is restored back to OneDrive original OneDrive folder, which is actually your main folder, and the JPEG should be restored back inside the YouTube folder. Okay guys, that was actually the 5 tips for OneDrive. If you guys have any question, please do not forget to leave your comment below, and if you have any tips for me, I am also welcome to that, so please leave your tip below. And also do not forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you very much for watching the video.